Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRQ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from, but definitely some updates here need to be made after price movement on the day. First thing is just a little house cleaning, get rid of that line. Sure, that level pertains. It's just not relevant right now from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible going forward. First update that needs to be made, though, comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, they tend to act as support. So in the newest areas of support, going to be right here at the 58-cent mark. And 58 cents is what I would call the ideal level. And if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay above that area. Now, don't get me wrong. It's not like if the price falls below 58, then that implies everything's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could actually manage to stay above that level, that'd be a great sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 58 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing new here to report. Once again, the price got rejected right up around that area that I've talked about in the past, and that sits right up there around the 62-cent mark, so continue to watch that going forward. All in all, though, sure, the price pulled back a bit today, but from the grand scheme of things, the price is still very clearly in an overall uptrend, so let's see if the bulls can build upon that momentum or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.